Looking for a lightweight 16-inch laptop that punches way above its weight? Meet the ASUS ZenBook A16, the ultra-portable Copilot plus PC powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon X2 Elite Extreme. It's one of the lightest big-screen Windows machines you can buy right now. Brand and overview. ASUS's latest ZenBook A16 is a premium ultrabook built for creators, professionals, and anyone who wants MacBook Air level portability with serious Windows power and battery life. Price and availability. Current US price $1,699.99 at Best Buy. 48 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD config. ASUS Direct lists around $1,999 for some bundles. Full technical specs. Processor Snapdragon X2 Elite Extreme 18 cores. Up to 5.0 GHz, 80 TOPS NPU. GPU integrated Qualcomm Adreno discrete level performance. RAM 48 GB LPDDR5X soldered unified memory. Storage 1 TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD display 16 3K 2880 ASUS Lumina OLED 120 Hz touchscreen option 1100 nits HDR peak 100% DC IP3 battery 70 watt-hours up to 21 hours video playback real world 13 to 18 hours mixed use. Ports to USB for 40 gigabits per second display plus charging. 1 USB-A HDMI 2.1 SD 4.0 card reader 3.5mm audio connectivity Wi-Fi 7 Bluetooth 5.4 webcam 108 OPIR with Windows Hello Audio 6 superlinear speakers. Weight and size just 1.2 kilograms 2.65 pounds. Dimensions 353 242 times 13.8 to 16.5 millimeters. Material and color premium Ceraluminum chassis ceramic plus aluminum to 30% lighter, 3 stronger than standard alloys. Color Zabriskie, beige matte, sand tone, smudge resistant. Design and features. This is the lightest 16-inch ZenBook ever. The Ceraluminum build feels premium and durable with minimal flex. Full-sized keyboard is comfortable with great travel. The large touchpad supports smart gestures. You get every port you need, no dongles required. Display and audio quality. The 3K 120 Hz OLED is stunning vibrant colors, deep blacks, super smooth scrolling. Peak brightness handles HDR content beautifully. 6 speakers deliver clear, room-filling sound, though bass is average, performance and battery life. The Snapdragon X2 Elite Extreme delivers excellent CPU performance. It matches or beats recent Intel AMD chips and keeps up with Apple's M5 in many tasks. GPU is improved but still best for productivity, light creative work, and casual gaming. ARM compatibility is now 93% plus for everyday apps. Battery life is outstanding, 13 to 24 hours depending on workload. Quiet fans and efficient ARM chip mean all-day use without worry. Pros: insanely light for a 16 powerhouse, gorgeous old plus long battery, strong CPU plus AI features, Copilot plus, full ports plus premium build. Great value for the specs. Cons: some older apps may need emulation. GPU: not ideal for heavy 3D gaming. RAM is soldered, no upgrades. Who it's for and why we picked it. Perfect for students, remote workers, content creators, and travelers who want a big screen without the bulk. We picked it because it proves Snapdragon on Windows is now seriously competitive. Lighter than most 15 rivals, more powerful than last-gen chips, and with battery life that rewrites the rules. Is it worth it? Absolutely. At $1,700 you get flagship performance, stunning display, and portability that rivals the MacBook Air 15, but with Windows flexibility and more ports. If you value weight, battery, and screen size over maximum x86 compatibility, the ZenBook A16 is one of the best buys of 2026.